Loses the puck, Kotkaniemi. Gets it to Trocheck. Coming in is Natchez, just out of his reach is Natchez. Had a lane. Carolina keeps it in. D'Angelo. He tees one up. They score! Carolina on the board first. Gaines 0 for 1 tonight on the power play with 1 shot on goal. Trying to thread the needle, they'll score! Nino Niederreiter's pass deflected out in front. It beats Swayman, and the Canes up 2-0. Boston zone. It'll be picked up by Teravainen. Teravainen's got an empty net. Across for Svechnikov. Bullseye! Another empty netter for Mr. Svechnikov. And the Hurricanes go up 3-0.
14 seasons. The game is on. Shot. Slavin across the slot, and Teravainen scores. Niederreiter to the trailer. Svechnikov, and Kotkaniemi reaches around Rask and makes it 2-zip. Between Clifton and Steen, it's Jarvis on the counter. He scores! The Bruins just gave up the space, and they trail 4-1. Derek Stepan. Martinook centers, and Stepan makes it 5-1. Centering pass, Aho can't slide it under Omar, but they score a 7th goal. The Bruins without Bergeron and Marchand. The game is on. D'Angelo takes exception to a clean check and is working over McAvoy. McAvoy gets the takedown.
Penalty 73, 5 minutes each for
Okay,
fighting.
all right, so let's keep that standard. Jarvis keeps coming. Svechnikov scores! He's a sniper. Fast to Pesci. Floats off the end glass. Niederreiter in front, stalled denied twice. Foss to Pesci, scores. Too many chances. 4-0 Carolina. Shea's shot scores. A wrist shot from the blue line through a screen. It's 6-0.